guys, and welcome back to another video on the second channel. So this is just going to be a super quick unboxing video because I just got new Joy-Cons, and these are some of the coolest ones. And I actually got these because my right Joy-Con on my gray Joy-Cons that I have is kind of broken, not completely broken, but it is a little bit glitchy now, and I know a lot of people have had this problem, but it still works for most games. But I did get a new pair, and I just kind of wanted to do an unboxing video on these. So these, I really love the colors, first of all. Neon green and neon pink, really nice looking. So let's unbox this. It's a pretty small package, as you can see. I don't really need to worry too much about ruining the box. We can keep it. Let's just destroy this. Now, alright, there we go. Oh, sorry, bumped the camera there. So they are like kind of in a little bubble wrap package. Oh, that's cool. They each have their own bubble wrap package. So here's the neon green one. Really nice looking. Let's take it out of the bubble wrap here. There we go. Oh, it's even in a plastic. They really protect those things. Wow. Alright, so this is the stupid kind of plastic that's impossible to open, isn't it? Yeah, it's that stupid stretchy kind. Let me go grab some scissors. A snip, snip, snip. Here we go. Let's chop this up if we can. Come on. Ah, so annoying to do, but there we go. It looks really smooth and really nice. I absolutely love the color on this one. So this is going to be the A, B, Y, and X one. Yeah, the home button and everything. Really, really nice looking Joy-Con. Now let's go for the pink one in here. This one looks really good too. Oh, that looks really nice. Let's just real quickly chop this one up. Chop, chop, chop. And let's grab that. That looks very smooth. So let's see them side by side. 1 second. Oh, they look really good. I love the neon colors here. Really bright, really, really awesome looking. So what I'm going to do now is show you guys them on the Switch and on the Joy-Con holder controller. So I'll show you that now. Ta-da! Look at how good that looks. They look actually really, really good on the Joy-Con holder. So we have the camera here. And then if we look at them from the back here, looks really, really good. I love the neon so much. It's so bright and colorful. Absolutely amazing. Looks great on the controller. Now let's try them out on the actual Switch itself. And here we go. Look at how good that looks. You can't really see them both on the camera. Let me try to back it up a little. Look at how nice that looks. I absolutely love this. Oh, that looks really, really good. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this really quick unboxing video. I really just wanted to make this video while we were waiting for the new thing that I'm working on my second channel. It's going to be really big. It's going to be a really awesome thing. You'll see in, I don't know how long. It'll be a bit. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.